Hello, it's Mr. Bush here. Today we're going to talk about basically subscripts and coefficients. But before we start, we need to know what a molecule is. Basically, a molecule is going to be a group of atoms bonded together in a set ratio. Alright, go ahead and take a second to copy that down, and then we'll move on to the next slide. Alright, if every molecule basically is bound together in a set ratio, it's very important for scientists to know how many atoms are in each molecule. To do that, they basically use subscripts. That's going to be a small number underneath the writing that lets them know exactly how many atoms of each element are in that molecule. Alright, if you look here, basically the subscript will tell you how many, let's say, hydrogen atoms are going to be in this particular molecule. If you look at this formula, it has a subscript of 4, which means you will have 4 hydrogen atoms in this molecule. See where it has no number? That means 1. Basically, scientists don't write the 1 in to save time. Alright, let's go ahead and move on and look at what coefficients mean. Alright, coefficients are going to be the large number that shows up in front of the compound. If you look right here, basically the number that is circled right there, that's going to be a coefficient. And what it means is basically you're going to have 2 times this entire group, or 2 of the K3PO4 molecule. So if you look here, it's going to be basically 2 of those molecules. Alright, let's go ahead and basically try to look at a few pictures to kind of show you all what this means. Alright, if you look here at the top one, basically this one right here, that's going to be a formula without a coefficient. It means you only have 1 molecule of water. Now if you count over here to the side, basically that 2, or the subscript for the 2, means you have 2 hydrogens, and the no number below that one means you only have 1 oxygen. Now if you look over here, when we add the coefficient, it basically means you have 2 of whatever molecule that is. So you have, with this one with the 2 water molecules, you have 2 of them, but the molecules aren't going to be bonded together. And that's very important for later on when we start balancing equations. So basically, whenever you add the coefficient in front of the compound, it's saying you have, however, like if it's 2, 3, 4, you have that many molecules of that compound. Alright, let's go ahead and look at a few examples.